be sure to keep in mind that you might want to ask permission before using these assets. If they don't give you a straight up no, or if they've just been inactive for years, then it'll probably be all right. But you're still probably going to want to ask just in case. So let's continue real fast. All right, so I'm basically going to show you how to decompress a BSP to be able to grab assets out of it. Yeah. So if you say you just go to map source, right? You have your maps, right? I'm just gonna pick a random map. Say Folger, right? Custom map I downloaded, right? If I open it with GCFscape, materials, anything, you can see that the files are all grayed out, right? This means that the file has been compressed. So, in order to decompress it, you are going to want to copy it, and just return to maps, paste it, and then rename it to something like compressed, right? Going to want to open CompilePal, if you don't have it, download it. Pretty easy, pretty simple stuff. Gonna launch Team Fortress 2, and then going to want, you already have, you compressed copy, open it. And so now what you're going to want to do is, unpack, gonna add BSP zip, right? BSP zip, you're going to click on this line here, going to add repack, right? And then you're going to press compile. You're going to wait for it to compile. It's finished compiling, right? So now what you're going to do is that you are going to head over to your, you can see, if I look up Folger real fast again, right? The original is 50.6 megabytes, and compressed whole lot bigger, 177 megabytes. So now if you open this up, you can see materials, everything is models. You can just grab all this stuff. Assuming you know how to use this, you can just extract it to wherever you want to go. So let's just say to extract this and send it to wherever you want, right? Okay. And I'm just gonna load up a quick VMF real fast to show it off. So now that you have your new VMF, I'm just gonna be sure to grab your custom assets and put them into a custom folder. Otherwise, you won't be able to use them. You could just drop them into the straight materials models folder, but I prefer to do it this way. To check, set a static entity, and yeah, as you can see, custom folder with all these custom assets, and that's the it's pretty easy. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks.